Hello friends, today in phonics we're going to be learning about the silent E. Now I want to make sure you understand what the word silent means. Do you know what that word means? Yes, it means not to make a sound, to be quiet. Well, in some words, we're going to learn today that the letter E can be silent at the end of a word, but it also does something else to the word. The silent E plays the quiet game. He makes the first vowel say his name. Now let's make sure we all remember what a vowel is. Take a look at the green letters here. We have A, E, I, O, U. These are all the vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Now what the letter E does, the silent E, he makes the A say A. He makes the E say E. He makes the I say I. He makes the O say O. And he makes the U say U. Let's take a look at this first picture and read this word with me. K-a-p, cap. But look what happens when we add the silent E. It turns into K-a-p. Did you hear that silent E? Nope, because he's quiet. He makes the A say his name. K-a-p, cape. Let's check out another picture. Say these sounds with me. T-a-b, tub. Now watch what happens when we add the silent E. T-u-b, tube. Have you seen one of those before? I see it when I brush my teeth. Here's another one. P-I-N, pin. Here comes the silent E. P-I-N, pine, a pine tree. Here's another picture. Say the sounds with me. K-a-b, cub. Here comes that silent E. K-u-b, cube. Have you ever played one of those before? I have. They're pretty cool, but very hard to solve sometimes. Let's try this word out together. P-o-a-n, plan. Here I am in my Bitmoji. Sounds like a plan. Watch what happens when that silent E gets here. P-a-n, plane. K-a-n, can. K-a-n, cane. Ooh, those are sweet peppermint canes. Try this one with me. A-n, man. Here comes silent E. A-n, mane. Do you see the lion's mane? That's the end, my friends. Thanks for listening.